Okay. Alright, so it looks like we got 5 different pairs of shorts. I'm gonna go work out pretty soon anyways. So I feel like this would be perfect. Let's make some outfits with these shorts. These are their gray shorts. These feel really nice and quality for the gym. Alright, let's throw this gray one on. Yo! These are mad comfy, bro. And these are really lightweight. These are lightweight and comfy. This just shows you can wear them around the house. Or you could go to the gym with them. Or you could dress them up for daily wear. So now when you do go on the website, everything comes in sets. And these sets usually cost around $50 to $60. But that is not bad because you're getting high quality wear. Because you're getting high quality wear just for 10 bucks a piece. And there's multiple color palettes that you can pick from. This is the royal color. Very clean. Okay, this is their teal color. It's more of a darker teal, not a lighter teal. But it's pretty tough. Saving the best for last. A black pair is really good for anything. Like, you can't go wrong with a black pair of shorts. Look at this material. Yeah, thank you, Leehanton, so much for sending me these shorts out. Make sure to check out my link. I'm going to put one in the bottom and in the comments. So make sure you guys can go pick up your Leehanton wear. You're trying to find blanks. It's all breathable. And that's perfect for here in Arizona.